Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be trying out a dupe of the Revlon hairstyling brush, which everybody's talking about, everybody's using. I personally could not purchase the original Revlon brush, so I managed to find a dupe for under $30. It's very cheap and it's actually really good quality so far. At least it works amazing. You guys can watch this video until the end and see the end result, but I was pretty blown away by the results, literally. So anyways, the first thing I did was use some volumizing mousse on the roots of my hair. It's a root volumizer. I will mention all the products I used in the description box. And then I guess my hair was maybe around like 70% dry, and then I sectioned it into two parts, and I am going to be taking small sections like this, and I am going to be basically wrapping it around the brush and blow drying it. I was really surprised at how fast it blow dries. I was not even using the highest setting. There's 3 settings: low, medium, and high, and I believe I was using the medium setting, but it still blow dried my hair extremely fast. Definitely much faster than if you were using a regular roller brush and a blow dryer. So that's good, because that probably means it's less heat damage. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other side as well. I'm gonna be blow drying away from my face. Going to continue doing what I'm doing. As you can see, it gives you a really nice bouncy, it just gives you a lot of movement to the hair, and it just makes your hair really nice, and it gets like rid of all the frizziness and everything as well. So I was really impressed with it. It just made my hair look really nice, and as you can see, it blow dries the hair very fast, so that's amazing. And then I'm gonna take the other section out, and I'm first gonna be blow drying my bangs, and I'm gonna be blow drying it again away from the face. And for the bangs, I'm actually gonna be using a Velcro roller, and I'm gonna roll it up and set it like so. I think like for the top part of the hair, if you could, I think you should probably use rollers like this, but I couldn't find my other roller, so I only had one. But I would probably use rollers all over the top section of my hair. That would probably give you a lot more lift and volume. So again, I'm going to continue doing the same thing, and it's very easy. The only reason that I personally don't blow dry is because it just takes so long for me, and I don't know, I'm just not used to it, I guess. Although I really prefer the look of an actual blow dry, it just personally for me, it's very time consuming and it's not that easy to do. So I feel like this product makes it a lot easier to achieve a blow dry at home, especially if you don't have a lot of time. And also another thing I want to say again is that this is not the original Revlon brush. I feel like it works exactly the same. So finally, I'm gonna use some hairspray, and I feel like it's completely optional, but I just use some hairspray just because, and then I'm just gonna kind of mess around with the hair, and that is it. It's so easy to achieve, and I was really impressed with the results. I personally wanted more of a lift, more volume, and some more curls, but I was still happy. So this is the end result, and I am pretty happy with it because it did blow dry my hair in under 10 minutes with very minimal effort. So it's really easy to use, but the only thing is I personally like more of a bouncy curl type of a hairdo. This just gives you a voluminous or bouncy straight hair. But if you are looking for a more voluminous curl or like a more blowout type of a curl, then you should probably check out the other Revlon styler. I'll post a picture of it right here. I think that's the product that I personally should have got, but either way, this thing definitely makes the whole blow drying process a lot easy. So anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or any video suggestions, comment them down below. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.